In this video, I'm going to show you two very simple functions that can be really useful when you've got data that's not laid out the way that you want it. So what I've got here is a Google Sheet where I've got some people's names listed in 3 different columns. I want all of those names just listed in a single column. So I'm going to use the TOCOL function. So first of all, I'm doing this in Google Sheets, then I'll show you how to do it in Excel, but it's exactly the same in both. So I've clicked where I want my formula to go and I'll type an equals. And then I'm going to type TOCOL for the TOCOL function. So col just stands for column. I'll type my opening bracket and then select the range of cells that I want to convert into a single column, close the bracket and press enter, and now I have a list of all my names. There is also a function called TOROW. So if I wanted the names as like column heading, so going across in a single row, I could do that here. So I'm going to type equals TOROW, open bracket, select the cells, close the bracket, press enter. I will show you this in Excel even though it's exactly the same. So I click where I want my formula to go. I'll type equals TOCOL, open bracket, select the cells containing my names, close the bracket, press enter. Or if I wanted the names going across in a single row, equals TOROW, open bracket, select the cells, close the bracket, press enter.